Hello guys and welcome to the channel. So today I am actually getting into bag D. And bag D is going to pretty much wrap up the main build here. Not really much to do other than that. So getting right into everything, the rear section just lines up with the front section and all that snaps together. I'm going to use a few BA3 screws to hold everything down. Step 16. And everything is together, completed assembly, going on to step 17. So step 17 is going to get into some of the options. You can actually put rear lights in here. I don't have any at the time, so I'm going to build this without the lights, and when I pick up a set, I can always easily throw them in. And just like that, the whole back assembly here is all finished up. Moving on to step 18. And step 18 just has you put on the front. These are the front body mounts. Holders. Alright, so for step 19, there's a lot going on here. It has you putting these whole side arms and everything together. Went ahead and just did that off camera. This way I could see how everything went together. A little complicated, but I did get it all figured out. So step 20 actually shows you where the electronics go. So it looks like the ESC is going to come up top. That's going to get double stick taped. Also too, these little side pieces are for the antenna. So I'll be putting two antennas on. They'll be for show, and it'll add to the look of the Comical Grasshopper. So I got the electronics double stick taped. I just put the receiver onto the side of the ESC, and I'll get all these wires cleaned up, zip tie them, whatnot. But now all I have to do is put on these little plastic pieces. They get held onto the side, and that's what's actually going to hold the antenna. So I'll get one installed on each side, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I got the antennas on, everything mounted up. Moving right along to the wheel assembly. Alright guys, so I jumped a bit ahead. I got to work, kind of got into it, and just went ahead and got the rest of it assembled. But you didn't miss much, and I'll just show you what I did. The wheel inserts just go in. There's 5 screws on the back side. Holds the little hubcaps, if you will, rims to the actual wheel. The wheels just, of course, pop on. I did not glue these. It doesn't say to. I'll see how it goes, but they fit pretty well. I'm not sure if I'm going to need to worry about that. On the back, it's a simple little piece. 2 clips hold it in. Pull that out. Your battery actually goes in here. And then you put it back in. Double clips. So it looks cool because it looks like it's the exhaust coming out, and it just adds a little bit to the look of the car. If you remember from the front, they had 2 clips holding on the front axle. Those clips come out. You actually do put a pin in. Put a regular hex plastic piece, and then you put on the wheel. So all that comes off. Front bumper's real easy, just a couple springs, a couple long screws, and this is the bumper. They do give you additional bumpers for racing and things like that. I'm just going to go ahead and use this. I went through and just cleaned the wires up, wire tied everything, so everything is good to go. Here's my plug wire, and I do have my extension that I made, and I'll probably run this on 2S. So really now I just need to cut the body out, get the body ready. This way I can stick it onto the chassis. But as far as the physical build, I'm done. The next time you see this, I'll have the body all done, all painted up. But that's about it, guys. If you have any questions, please list them down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, all that good stuff. And I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.